Good morning, day 89, 9 o'clock. We are quite behind, unfortunately. Yesterday's weather was a bit awful, as you can see by the tracks. And also as a result of the weather yesterday, a lot of tradespeople didn't arrive because Asian people don't like rain, apparently. So we have a lot of block work to be doing. We've got to get the pool, jets and drainage sorted out so that we can actually do the rebar, so that we can pour the concrete, so that we can build the block walls. Spin that around. So if we don't do the base, we can't do the walls. If we can't do the walls, again here as well, we can't put a lid over the top to pour the concrete. So here was where we focused yesterday, which I think potentially should have been left until we finished the block work, maybe. So Wayne knows what he's doing, but at the same time, we have to get the pool done in order to do anything, and this is probably key. So we need to get this dug out today so that this can literally be blinded, rebarred and concrete. Once the concrete's on, then where the blocks are, the blocks will carry on up to height all the way around. That enables us to come across with some plywood and then start obviously doing what we've done there. Can't do that until this is done. So the guys, masons are in here blocking up, which is good. So they're clearly going to be doing in there, but they also need to be on here as well, and they can't do here until this is concreted. So yeah, number one goal is here. So I need to talk to Wayne, the man who owns the place, about getting this sorted. Otherwise this is going to hold up everything. We're meant to be pouring concrete on there and here tomorrow. And as you can see, that clearly is not going to happen. Monday, obviously, we don't get loads of people arriving and working, so it's going to be an okay day, but it's not going to be one of the Monday to Friday productive days, so a little bit of planning needed. So I'm going to call Wayne in a minute and see what he says, because he's not around, so I don't know if he's been here already and gone. But either way, we need a plan, Stan. So I'm going to get on that as soon as I can. Electricians and plumbers, certainly electricians, they're on price, so they're on site self-managing themselves. They know what they've got to do. And the rebar guys are up there trying to finish off as well. I thought they finished that floor, but clearly not, because that's all they're focusing on. So they need to finish that. Electricians need to finish their part. Plumbers need to be here this morning at some stage to do their part. So planning meeting is needed as soon as possible.